Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by working fast. Remove the core from 1 head of cabbage and quarter the leaves so they feed into the shoot. Add 1/2 cup roughly chopped carrots to balance color and texture. Fit the shredding disc into your food processor and lock the bowl. This prevents tears and uneven shredding. Pulse briefly to engage, then run steady until you have thin ribbons. Once done, inspect for large pieces and repeat short pulses to keep uniform shreds. Now make a dressing that clings. In the processor bowl, use the blade to mix 1/2 cup mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1/2 teaspoons salt, and 1/4 teaspoon pepper until smooth. You use the blade because it emulsifies quickly and gives a creamier mouthfeel. Transfer shredded cabbage and carrots to a large bowl, then drizzle dressing while tossing gently so leaves coat evenly. Make sure to taste and adjust acidity with vinegar or salt to brighten flavors. Finish by chilling the coleslaw at least 30 minutes so flavors marry and the dressing soaks slightly into the shreds. This also relaxes crispness into pleasant bite. When serving, toss again to redistribute any settled dressing, then plate. If you need to hold it longer than 6 hours, keep it refrigerated and give a quick toss before serving. If it becomes soggy, drain off excess liquid, add a handful of fresh cabbage, and toss to restore texture.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.